Hello, this is Tianjin Crib International Trade Company Limited. We are a manufacturer located in Tianjin, China. Let's follow my camera and check the details of our factory. The first part is our raw material. We always have enough stock to guarantee the production. About the hiding personnel check the required specifications of the products ordered and prepare the wire rod and mousse needed. The pinch pointing process is a special process in the manufacturing of self-drilling screws. In order to enable screws to be driven into the steel plant easily, a good drill point is essential. Threading is an exceptionally important process in the manufacturing of drywall screw and self-drilling screws. And the heat-treated. The computer-generated data for every screw that is heat-treated in these two furnaces, which ensures of the screws to have a consistent hardness and copper-riding depth. We have all kinds of washers for you to choose. We use automatic path threading machine to improve the efficiency. We attach great importance to packing. Customers can choose from a variety of packaging forms, and we will provide professional advice on the requirements. We got a big warehouse to reserve the ready goods. Customers don't need to worry about the safety of their goods. Before the goods get out of the factory, we will test them to check if the quality is okay. We promise that what we received are most the best quality. Time to thin the goods out. We arrange the experienced workers to load the container. We specialize in making self-drilling screws, self-typing screws, drywall screws, and chip bolt screws. Our annual production capacity is up to 30,000 tons. The customers are quite satisfied with our products and shipment on-time services. Please contact us for more details.